The Shark WV201BLBRN WANDVAC is a premium handheld vacuum designed for quick cleanups, car interiors, and small messes at home. With its ultra-lightweight design and strong suction, it's built for convenience and portability rather than heavy-duty whole house cleaning. Powerful cordless suction with brushless motor. Despite its small size, it features a high-speed brushless motor that delivers strong suction for picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair. It's designed for quick, everyday cleaning rather than deep carpet cleaning. Perfect for car and tight spaces. Cleaning, thanks to its compact body and tapered nozzle, it easily reaches tight corners, car seats, and small gaps. It also includes tools like a crevice tool and upholstery brush for better precision cleaning. One touch, empty and easy. Maintenance, it features a one-touch dustbin empty system, allowing you to dispose of dirt quickly without touching debris. The filter and dust cup are also removable for easy cleaning. Compact design with stylish look. The slim, modern design, Cove Blue finish, makes it easy to store on a counter or shelf. It's not just functional, it also looks premium and minimal. Overall, the Shark WANDVAC WV201 is an excellent choice if you want a lightweight, stylish, and powerful handheld vacuum for quick cleaning tasks. It's perfect for cars, furniture, and small messes, but not meant to replace a full-size vacuum for deep cleaning.